Vision Optical dito sa Sage Hill. Pili-pili na ng glasses. Hi boys! I'm a little bit rusty. Sampan niyayanig sa bawat nilalang magigising ang lupang kulap sa dilim. Hello fam, good morning, maayong adlaw, maayong buntag, maayong gabi sa tanan. So welcome back to our channel again fam. Sobrang magiging busy ang Alba Fam Bam today. At number 1, pupunta kami ng bank ni Mommy at may asikasuhin siya. And number 2, titingin tayo sa isang optical shop. So siguro 1 year ago or 1.5 years ago pa kami last nagpa-check up. So I think it's time again to go to an optical shop. May nahanap na ako. Thanks Brother Melvin sa pag-recommend dito. So Northwest to siya fam. And let's go. Samahan nyo kami and tingnan natin kung ano ang mabibili natin for today then. Then syempre, magluluto na rin ang daddy ng breakfast. Kasi nga, madami tayong lakad today fam. So may longganisa tayo, fried eggs. May ham tayo kasi nagsa-sandwich lang si Mommy. Meron tayong sagana hotdog as well as another 2 eggs for our kids. Ayan, fam. So, samahan niyo ulit kami for today's adventure and let's go! Eating time, fam. And look at that. Yun yung ginawa ni Mommy. The ultimate breakfast sandwich na yan, fam. May egg, may ham, may avocado, banana, and the favorite, cream cheese. Parang ultimate ano yan laba. Walang lettuce, pero it's okay. May ano naman siya, avocado, no?
Yep.
Okay. Yan ang breakfast namin, fam.
And we're ready to go! Ready na ang Alba Fam Bam. Lalabas tayo today. First up is ang bank. So, I need to drop by to just do something. And then, afterwards, magpapa-eye check up na tayo. Nasa baba na ang kids at ang daddy. Nagpapainit na sila ng car. And let's go, fam! There you go. Ang ganda ng araw, fam. Look. It's a nice weather. Pero syempre, malamig pa rin.
Dito na kami sa bank. Umalis na si Mommy. And inaya ko silang mag-McDonald's kasi sa tabi lang ng bank ang McDonald's. And sabi ni Kuya ayaw maniwala para daw joke. But no, we're going to McDonald's. Let's go and buy some ice cream. So bili muna kami ng McDonald's, fam. Yan. Quick Sunday hot fudge lang tayo. Diba? Okay, so pagbigyan natin ng mga bata. Okay, hold daddy's hand.
Disney Plus.
Okay, let's go. Ito yung bank, fam. Diyan yung McDonald's. Ayan. So kakain muna kami. Bili lang ng ice cream. Kahit na may yellow dito, fam. Ganun naman sa Canada eh. McDonald's.
Daddy, I want them. Daddy, I want them.
Fudge Sunday. Yeah, murang-mura. 807. Let's go.
Daddy.
Yan na, fam. Okay. Who's happy?
Me!
Ayan. Let's go! So, din-drop ko na si na Mommy dun sa mismong optical shop Kasi walang parking sa tapat. So ngayon naman ang layo ng parking. But it's okay. As long as safe si na mami ng aking mag-ina. So lakad na tayo. Takbo actually. At wala akong jacket. Medyo malamig. Sa 0 or -2 dito ngayon sa Calgary. So let's go. Yan fam. So nandito na tayo. Vision Optical. Dito sa Sage Hill. Dito na tayo fam. Pili-pili na ng glasses. Ano ba ito? That one? It's for girls.
For girls pa yan, sorry.
Ah, ito pwede. Ito, nice. Ayan. Glasses.
Well, seeing far away, she can see the TV. Okay.
She's okay.
No eye turns that you've noticed.
Turn for Leanne.
So far now.
Good. And she was born full turn. I'm going to look at that balloon. Okay. Good job. What is that?
Dear.
It's a deer. Good. What's that one?
Oh.
What's that one?
Kuya.
What's over there?
Kuya Daven's turn.
Ay, sit down, baby. Here.
All right. And your name is? His last eye exam was about 2 years ago.
2 years ago, yeah.
Do you wear glasses, Davon?
Yeah. I'll watch it.
While watching. Forehead right up against the top. Good job. What grade are you in, Davon? Grade 1. What's your favorite part of grade 1? Having
Yeah.
no vision.
Yeah, it's perfect.
And last eye exam, everything was healthy as well.
Yeah.
Can you read those letters?
ZSHRV. Ayan, we're done, fam. And, okay. Alright, okay, you get with daddy. So, kunin na namin yung van ngayon, fam. So, again, dito kami galing sa Vision Optical. And, fam, absolutely, we love the doctor, we love the service. Ang ganda-ganda ng service nila. At, ayun, si Eileen ang nag-assist sa amin. Thank you, Eileen, for assisting us. And yung doctor nila, fam, sobrang thorough mag-explain. So, if you're from Calgary, more so northwest, northeast, dito kayo magpa-check up Sage Hill Crossing. Dito sila. Yeah. So, kasama kami ni Kuya Davan ngayon. Kukunin lang namin ang sasakyan. And where are we going? We're going to Bubble Tea.
Daddy.
Kakain. Gutom na kami, fam. Wala pang lunch.
Daddy Paul.
Alrighty, so
Daddy
see ya.
Paul. Plus 999.
999 plus 999, that's 1,998.
98. Okay. That's 9 plus 9.
So, papunta na kami ngayon sa Bubble Mania naman. Galing nung Vision
Ay, yeah.
Optical nga.
Doctor.
Sobrang galing.
Eye doctor.
Sina Eileen, thank you for taking care of us sa pag-asikaso. Ang galing-galing at very thorough nga ang doctor and yung service talaga. Okay, so
Well recommended.
again, kung tiga northeast kayo, tiga northwest lalo, Sage Hill, punta kayo dito. Vision Optical. Very highly recommended. Okay, so ngayon naman fam, punta tayong Bubble Mania. Medyo gitna na yan ng Calgary. Nandito pa kami sa Sage. Tumitingin-tingin din ng bahay. Ang gaganda ng mga bahay dito sa Sage. So yung mga may viewers tayo dan tiga Sage Hill. Sana all. Ganda nung area
Community,
nyo.
yeah.
Ganda ng community. Ito yung mga community na minsan lang namin napupuntahan kasi. O nadadaanan.
We're here na fam, Bubble Mania. Nag-i-enter na sila sis Dayan. Late na kami.
There you go. Baby, let's go.
When I woke her up, just smooth.
Okay, sure. Come on.
I used it a gentle voice.
Thank you, Kuya. Let's go.
Mommy, remember what I said about you?
Yep.
I will do everything. How to relax.
Bubble Minion.
Wow. Hi there, we have friends inside. Yeah.
There you go, Pa.
Is there dollar parmesan?
Yep. And the bubble tea. Yes, thank
course,
you.
guys.
Done for late lunch, early dinner.
Yay.
Ayan o, sina Jelvin. Hello! Okay. So, uwian na. Hello, fam. Di pala ako nakapag-weather check today. So, ayan. Medyo nagtutunaw ang aming snow dito sa Calgary ngayon. It's around 3 degrees. It's way getting better. Ayan. Nawawala-wala na nga din ang snow. So, kakarating lang namin, fam. At ayun nga, thank you ulit sa pag-invite sa amin, Bro Jelvin. At masyado kaming nabusog. So, good thing din na successful ang ating eye check-up. Naka-order na rin ako, pero yung case kasi na gusto ko, yung fit na fit sa akin ay wala doon. So, nag-order pa, and of course, gagawin pa rin nila yung prescription lenses ko. That is why we need to wait. And this is my first time again, fam, na magkaroon ng glasses. After a very long time. Parang since college ata ako last nagkaroon ng glasses. So, ngayon na lang ulit. And at least, medyo okay yung frame kasi Oakley, hindi siya masyadong old school. At para akong naka-sunglasses lang din. Pero yun nga, prescription lenses siya. Ang purpose talaga ay, lagi kasi talaga ako naka-contact lenses, fam. Gusto din ni Don na natatanggal ko yung contact lenses ko and naka-glasses lang ako pag nasa bahay. Ang gagawin natin tonight ay mag-movie night tayo with the kids. Sobrang busog na namin. Hindi na namin kailangan mag-prepare pa ng dinner. And yeah, samahan lang natin ang ating mga kids para mag-enjoy ng weekend. And I think tomorrow may jam na naman ang daddy. So, papractice na tayo. Because this coming May 2nd ay nasa Pacific Hut ang aking band na Arctic Ground. Kasama sina Alwin, sina Jason, and si Limwell. And of course, si Vincent. Kikita na naman kami. Tomorrow, practice time. So, let's go, fam. At akyat na tayo. Good morning! Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw sa tanan. So let's just continue our vlog since yesterday. So nakatulog na nga at nakapag-relax na ang mommy and daddy and everyone in the family kagabi. So very fortunate na nakakapag-relax tayo. So ganun talaga kasi pag weekday naman kasi din, fam, grabe, banatan din talaga sa work. So today naman, ang gagawin ni daddy ay pupunta tayo kina Jason sa south of Calgary naman, fam, para mag-practice. To continue, that's why magpa-practice kami. So we'll be having a gig on May 2nd, Pacific Hut here in Calgary. So that's gonna be 3 bands. Kasamahan natin to sa Filipino-Canadian Musicians Association dito sa Calgary, with the bands like Bob Rock, as well as Still Awake, and yours truly, Arctic Ground. So we're gonna be doing 10 songs then, fam. So from, of course, our favorite OPM bands, iba-iba, but more on River Maya, Rico Blanco, as well as songs from the Foo Fighters, and also Matchbox 20. So hindi naman pwedeng Tagalog lang lahat. So to spice up, nagdagdag tayo ng mga English songs din. Ayan, so see you guys all there March 2nd at Pacific Hut. Ayan, may mga tickets din actually kami. after 30 minutes. Medyo malayo-layo talaga. Opposite side talaga of Calgary. So, dito na mga bandmates ko. Let's go inside and let's see kung nakapag-set up na ba sila. Ito nga pala mga tickets namin. Ayan. So again, May 2nd, Pacific Hut dito sa Calgary. We'll see you. Hi boys! Hello brother! Ayos lang. You know, long time. You know?
Hi.
Napaka-pogi. Yun, hello fam! So we're done with our jam. At ayan, nakita nyo yung mga few songs na pinractice namin. We're gonna be doing, I think, at least 2 more practices pa and jam before our May 2nd Pacific Hut gig. Ayan fam, so post ko dito ang poster. So dun sa mga nasa Calgary and mga karatig bayan, Cochrane, Chestermere, AirG, punta kayo sa Pacific Hut on May 2nd and catch us, Arctic Ground, and also of course Bob Rock and Still Awake. So I'll end the video here. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you like all this Buhay Canada contents as well as family in general, kung paano kami namumuhay dito sa Canada. Salamat ng marami dun sa mga nanonood sa amin. I know that most of our vlogs right now are focused more on looking for houses kasi medyo eager talaga kami ni Donna. But nonetheless, we're also taking videos of our everyday Buhay Canada. So again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe here. And I'll see you on the next video, fam. Hang loose.